Singapore actually has never designed and built a complete full-size aircraft. So this is actually quite a big triumph. We can design, engineer, and build a complete full-size electric vertically takeoff and landing aircraft. That's what the acronym eVTOL stands for.
Okay, slowly.
About 16 years ago, back in 2008, I came up with this idea and came up with the word eVTOL, usually electric. So this makes it clean and quiet. So allow to vertically take off like a helicopter, does not require any runway, but then it can fly at least 100 to 200 kilometers, easily allow you to do intra-city or intercity commute. 3 years ago, that's when we started putting together a team at Nanyang Technological University to do this R&D project. And the goal is to build a technology demonstrator aircraft that can put together all the core technologies to be developed during these 3 years.
2, 3, up.
So we have developed all the core technologies at the university already, purely as a research. The way to validate all your research is not just by writing a paper. You have to produce something concrete. And there isn't much space in Singapore where there's a large open area we can fly and do flight testing. So this is why I contact my friends at DLR, which is the German Government National Flight Research Center, very much like the US NASA. We developed our own design electric motor, complete aircraft architecture, and the flight control system, the flight control laws, and also design our own composite structure, and then have all the molds locally made by Singapore SME, assembled the entire aircraft at the university. We want to demonstrate complete, stable takeoff into a hover, hold, and can transition into forward flying, exactly like what an eVTOL aircraft is supposed to do. Pushing the technology boundary, right? Especially for Singapore, it's the first time build a brand new aircraft. In the back of my team shirt I made for everyone, it says, failure is not an option. We have to keep on pushing ourselves to the limit.
Hi everyone. Structures check. Are we go?
We are go.
Battery and propulsion, Raj. Go, flight controls. Go, tower is cleared. Weather is a bit windy. GCS links. Liao, pilot, are we ready to go?
Ready to go.
We are clear for launch. Heading over to pilots and GCS. Radio silence, clear takeoff and landing area.
If it can be dreamed, it can be built. That was the model I came up in back when I formed my Augusta Westland Project Zero eVTOL team. I wanted something that was almost impossible, but still within the realm of doable. We have reached an altitude of 92 meters. You're basically completely flying in free open space where the wind was really gusting up to 20 kilometers an hour. And the aircraft was proven to be extremely stable, able to climb up, reach the altitude with no hesitation.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weak. Okay, that's okay.
Small team of 30 people with about 12 industry partners are able to design and build a complete aircraft. That is an incredible thing which we have done here in NTU Singapore.